Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Kalpana. And how are you? I hope you will be healthy and cheerful. My name is Kalpana Gangwar and I'm going to talk about English speaking and the importance of listening. So please watch this video till the end. I'm sure this video would be helpful to improve your speaking. Without further ado, let's get started. So friends, I'm going to talk about listening, and listening is the most important skill to learn a language. Why? And why do we need listening to learn a language? And the answer of this question is listening is the most important skill to learn a second language, and listening gives an important input to learn a second language. So we need listening, and if we want to improve our speaking, we have to listen. And think about it. If no listening, nothing is stored in our brain, and nothing is stored in our brain, nothing will come out when we shall speak. So listening is the most important, and we can take it as a tool. On this tool, without this tool, we can do nothing, and without listening, we can do nothing. So listening is the most important. If you want to learn a language, we can learn a language only by listening, and only by listening. And we listen. We can listen and watch any movie, any motivated speech, any cartoon movie, any music, according our English level, and according our English level, and listening is the most important, and it must be in English. So listening is the most important. And when we were babies, we didn't know about our mother tongue. We learnt our mother tongue only while listening. So if we want to improve our speaking, we have to listen. And friends, I am here only I am trying to improve my speaking, and I need your help and support. I need your encouragement, and you have a great power to encourage anyone, and so please help me and tell me about my mistakes while speaking, and then I will be able to rectify my mistakes. So please tell me in comment box and support me. Thanks for watching.